Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Ultra M's Gaming. So, today I'm going to be talking about PCSX2 Widescreen patch not working. So, you've downloaded the PCSX2 Widescreen patch from the PCSX2 forum. You check the game that is downloaded and it's there, and for some reason, you it doesn't work. Right. So the problem here basically is okay, some specific game there, but doesn't work. Another one is basically the game that you want to play doesn't have the widescreen patch folder in the downloaded file and does not exist in the downloaded file. So, in other words, you can't play. But in my case, the game that I'm playing, it has the widescreen patch in the file downloaded. So I'm going to be showing you guys here. Game I'm going to be showing you the demo here is Ultraman Nexus. Right, enable cheats, enable widescreen patches, right, boot ISO full, right, some nice PS2 there. Alright, just wait a moment. Yeah, I was playing, it felt really funny, where's the, okay, open the debug window. Oops, not this one. There we go, show console. Alright, here's the game, loading. Alright, we can just skip this. Alright, quickly gonna show. Alright, this widescreen patch, by the way, doesn't work for main menu and all these graphic stuff. It's basically for the 3D environment, which is in the game itself. Okay, so now what you should be seeing is... Alright, so you can see it's in widescreen ratio, but for some reason it is stretched. It is not... How we say, it is not in the 16:9 in-game ratio. It's basically just standard ratio, and it's basically just stretching to fit the screen, which looks pretty terrible, honestly. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna show you guys. All right, go to widescreen folder, PS2 widescreen, wherever you saved it. All right, okay. For this game, it's Ultraman NTSCJ. We're gonna go search here. All right, so the reason why it doesn't work. All right, you can see Ultraman X is here. A widescreen patch file does exist, but the reason it doesn't work is because if you look here, it is Ultraman Nexus NTSCSLPS20420. Okay, now the code here is 1FFFBDA3. 1FFBDA3. Look up CRC 1FFBDA3. And the one we have downloaded here from the internet is 3B6F3D8C. So it is a totally different code. That's why it's not synchronizing, it's not working, although despite it being the same game, it's just not working. It cannot the widescreen patch cannot be loaded. As mentioned here, widescreen cheats patches loaded is 0. Even if you hear, yeah, even the cheats, there's no cheats. Widescreen hack is 0, so it cannot be loaded because of the difference there. So what we're gonna do here, alright, first you're gonna have to copy this. Oh wait, let me just close this first. Alright. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna copy this, paste. Oh wait, why is it? Pardon me. Copy, and you're gonna paste here. Alright, so there's gonna be 2 files here. And for this one, the copy one, you're gonna basically first, you're gonna rename it. Alright, we can rename this later, but basically what I want to show you guys here, usually I'll just convert it to txt first. If you change file extension, the file name becomes merged, you want to change it? Yes, you want to. So in text file, you can see this is the game title, Ultraman Nexus SPS. Common widescreen is yeah, by Arab Papa. Thank you very much. Watching has 69. Here is the 2 patch here. Alright, basically there's like a 2 hack being applied for the widescreen patch here. So what you're gonna do here, you can take this file, you can copy or cut. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this file. All right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the PCSX2 Cheat file, wherever you have downloaded it. But since I don't even remember what it is, I'm gonna go here, cheat. All right, it should be in here, PCSX2. There's two cheats and cheats WS. I'll just go to cheats. Yeah, this one is another one I did the other day. All right, so I'm gonna paste this one here, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna go to PCSX2 here. All right, you go back to here where you see the widescreen cheese, blah blah blah, patches loaded. All right, GSU, you see this one FFF BTA3, the code, whatever game it is that you're using, different code. Copy, go back to the file of the cheats, click rename, and you paste this. And then the TXT, you're gonna basically just convert it to PNACH. Alright, are you sure, Jay? Yes. Alright, so now you have basically the same file renamed, and yeah, I don't know how this works, but yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna try this again. I'm just gonna boot fast this time, same game being applied. Alright, so now this time at here you're gonna see, alright, status unknown, 2 cheats applied. Just now it was 0 and 0 widescreen hack. Alright, this one 0 widescreen hack, but 2 cheats applied because we've placed it in the cheat file. So the cheats being applied, and right, skip this again. Right, restart. Right, as we can see, the cheats are applied. The cheats for the widescreen hack. So instead of it being a widescreen hack file, it's basically now in the cheats file, but it's just basically the same thing. So it's being applied. Alright, for the menu, as I mentioned before, it does not apply to all these menu wordings. Everything does apply, but it only applies to the 3D graphics, which is the game when playing the game itself. Alright, now we can see it has totally in the widescreen. You can see the areas you do not see before, which is really nice, and really beautiful. You can see behind here the areas which previously you can't see, and yeah, you can pretty sure you can just skip back to the video, go back to compare between this one and that one. You can see how much area that was missing previously, and now it's here. Basically, this is for widescreen hack, which is really nice. So yeah, hopefully this will solve your problem. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. Basically, that's all big. So just to recap here, basically what you need to do is you go to the widescreen hack file wherever you downloaded it. Look for the game that you're looking for, like in this case, Ultraman Nexus. Open the file, you see the PNACH file. You copy this file, and basically you change the PNACH to tx.txt. It will change to a text file. You copy the text file. You go to the cheats file in the PCSX2 wherever you downloaded it in the programs, I think, or documents. And then the cheats file, there's two cheats and cheats WS. So just for me, I'll just go to cheats, and you paste it there, and then you rename everything. You rename the code of the game that you're playing now. Probably might be different. Like I said, you can find here widescreen cheats to 0, but here, so basically just copy this code and you rename that, and you change from .txt to .pnach. So like in this one, I renamed to 1FFF BTA3.pnach, and it'll ask, are you sure? Yes, you just click yes, it becomes pnach file, and then you can basically just restart your PCSX2 and ensure enable cheats, enable widescreen patches is applied. I mean, you don't have to do this, but basically because this one's under cheats, so basically the cheats is important. And that should solve your problem. If it doesn't, then I'm really sorry. But that's all the solutions I found. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. And for the next problem, if it's not there, there could be two reasons why the game is not in the widescreen hack. It's not in the widescreen file you downloaded. One is probably because the game itself has an in-game setting where you can change the aspect ratio. Number two might be because nobody has done it before for that game, so you can create your own widescreen patch. There's a way I can teach you using Cheat engine, which is this one. Yeah, you can just basically, I can teach you in a next video some other time. It's a pretty easy process, but a really long process. Is easy but pretty long. Yeah, basically that's it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining, and I hope you guys can subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and support my channel. Check out my channel if you guys have the time. Stay safe during this pandemic and everything, and see you guys some other time. And yeah, let me just finish this battle. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, and enjoy this.
Round 2. Fight! Final round. Fight!